Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brother and sister, wherever you are, Alhamdulillah, at this program, I am Ali Javaheri from Imam Hussain TV, will be your host for this program to have your name on the flag of Abu Abdullah al-Hussein, to recite a ziyarat, and inshallah ask your hajat from Imam Hussain and his brother Abu al-Fadl al-Abbas. So inshallah, pick your phone, dial the number +964 773 039 1424. So just pick the phone, dial the number and call us and recite the ziyarat. Talk to Abu Abdullah al-Hussein, talk to Abu al-Fadl al-Abbas, say salam. I'm going to start with the reciting the ziyarah of Abu al-Fadl al-Abbas. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alayka ya Abu al-Fadl al-Abbas. Assalamu alayka ya ibn Rasulullah. Assalamu alayka ya ibn Amir al-Mu'minin wa ibn Sayyid al-Wasiyin. Assalamu alayka ya Qadi al-Hajat. Assalamu alayka ya Saqi atasha Karbala. السلام عليك يا أبا الفضل العباس وعلى أختك السيدة زينب. السلام عليك وعلى السيدة رقية. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. صلى الله عليك يا أبا عبد الله يا ابن رسول الله يا ابن أمير المؤمنين يا ابن فاطمة الزهراء سيدة نساء العالمين. السلام عليك يا أبا الشهداء. السلام عليك يا سيد شباب أهل الجنة. السلام عليك وعلى الأرواح التي حلت بفنائك. عليك مني سلام الله أبدا ما بقيت وبقي الليل والنهار ولا جعله الله آخر العهد مني لزيارتك. السلام على الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين ورحمة الله وبركاته. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah, my brother and sister, you can call us, have your ziyarat, say salam. And I'd like to congratulate you, the holy month of Sha'ban. Look like we have a first za'ir for tonight. Salamun alaikum, brother.
Wa alaikum assalam. Thank you very much for your wishes, ma'am. God bless you and give you whatever you want. And Imam Zamana bless you forever.
Inshallah, inshallah. May I have your name, brother, and where you calling from?
My name is Sayyid Adil Imam Hassani.
Sayyid Adib. Where are you calling from, brother?
I'm calling from Pakistan.
Ahsantum, from Pakistan. Which city is Hyderabad, Islamabad?
It's Lahore. It's Lahore. I'm calling from Lahore.
MashaAllah. Ahsantum. Brother, you can have your ziyarah.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alayka ya Aba Abdullah al-Hussein. Assalamu alayka ya Ibn Rasulullah. Assalamu alayka ayyuha shaheed. Assalamu alayka ibn al-Mazloom. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu ala al-Hussein wa ala Ali ibn al-Hussein wa ala awlad al-Hussein wa ala ashab al-Hussein. Allahumma arzuqni shafa'at al-Hussein yawm al-Gurud. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Assalamu alayka ya Imam Zamana. Assalamu alayka ya Baqiyatullah. Assalamu alayka ya Sahib al-Asr wa Zaman. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Ahsantum, brother. May I have your name again, Sayyid?
Adil Imam Hasni.
Sayyid Adil Imam. Jazakumullah khair, inshallah.
Please pray for my job. I have some difficulties in my current job and trying to find new jobs. Please pray for me that I'll get a very good job.
Inshallah, inshallah, we're going to pray for you and ask Imam Hussain to grant your hajat and grant you health, wealth, and good job and success you in your life. Ahsantum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah, brother. How are you today?
My name is Nazar Abbas, Sayyid Nazar Abbas Abdi from Karachi, Pakistan.
Sayyid Nadar Abbas from Karachi. Brother, have you been in Karbala before?
Yes, my iltimas dua, Maula Hussain, salam. Assalamu alaikum ya Bavi. Assalamu alaikum ya Hussain. Assalamu alaikum liye. Assalamu alaikum Hussain. Assalamu alaikum Hussain. Assalamu alaikum Babul Fazlul Abbas ibn Amir al-Mu'minin. Assalamu alaikum ziyarat. Assalamu alaikum Imam Allah Ta'ala makhraj az-zuhurat wa ansari karamatullah tabaqatu. Qibla iltimas dua from my brother Amir Raza, Imam Raza, my mother is or mine.
Brother, I have written your name, Sayyid Nadar Ali, on the flag of Imam Hussain, inshallah. And
Sayyid Imran Raza, Sayyid Amir Raza.
Sayyid Imran. Brother, if you have any more name, please send us to WhatsApp, and inshallah we're going to write it on the flag of Abu Abdullah al-Hussein.
Inshallah. Iltimas dua from my mother or my sister or my brother.
Inshallah, Imam Hussein bless your parents, bless your mother, and keep them safe.
Yes.
And your family wherever they are. Ahsantum, jazakumullah. My friend, do we have another call? Okay. Brother and sister, as you know, we are on the holy month of Sha'ban, and many events happen on the holy month of Sha'ban, and we are in the celebrations day. So, alhamdulillah, on this month, we had the birthday of Imam Hussain alayhi salam and his brother Abul Fadl Abbas, his son Imam Sajjad, and Ali al-Akbar, and Imam of our time, Imam Mahdi Ajjallahu Ta'ala Farajah Sharif. And the best, one of the best a'mal at these days, at this month, is the reciting the ziyarat and dua, which is dua al-Faraj. Salamun alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Brother, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I'd like to really thank you from all my youth for your humble and grateful work. Really obliged.
Alhamdulillah. Brother, have you been in Karbala before?
Yes, I have in 2019 in Arba'in.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah, it's just a couple years ago, and we are praying for you to be a Za'ir of Imam Hussain, inshallah, at this year's again, you and your respected family. So you can have the ziyarah, speak to Abu Abdullah al-Hussein, ask your hajat, ask anything you have in your mind.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ya Imam, assalamu alayka ya Abu Abdullah al-Hussein, wa ala Ali ibn al-Hussein, wa ala أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين الذين بذلوا محجهم من دون الحسين يا إمامنا يا إمامي يا سيدي ويا مولاي أنت أقرب المستشهدين أنت أكرم الأئمة المعصومين يا إمامي أنت أكرم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إلهنا بمن نستعين وإن سوينا وبحبل من أعتصم حتى حبلك أنا فمن سواك ندعو ومن غيرك نرجو ما لنا سواك يا الله سواك يا أبا عبد الله الحسين عليه السلام وبحق مولاتي وسيدتي الرقية بنت الحسين سلام الله عليهما فتقبل مني دعائي هذا وكل دعاءنا وكل دعائي ودعائي والديني وكل الشيعة وكل الناس.
Ahsantum, brother. It was such a beautiful dua, such a beautiful recitation.
Thank you.
And inshallah.
Thank you. I'm really grateful. It's just beyond words for your humble work. It's always a dream for any Shia to recite Abu Abdullah al-Hussein fi the times of Karbala. I'm very, very thankful.
Inshallah, inshallah. Don't forget, brother, by your help, by your support, we are keep continuing this program and keep give you people more live program, more live show by your support and your donation. Inshallah, when we go to our main building, which is on Bab al-Qibla, right front of the Imam Hussain, inshallah, when we complete this building by your support, we're going to have more program, and we give you more opportunity to recite the ziyarat, say السلام. So I'm going to write your name, brother Abbas, you said, yes?
Jesus, thank you.
Thank you, jazakumullah. Ahsantum.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And if you like to support us, if you like to donate through Imam Hussain TV, you can call us on this number and talk to us, inshallah, send us a message, and we, inshallah, will inform you and help you with it. Jazakumullah khaira. And don't forget, Imam Hussain will reward you on every minute, each penny that you are donating to us, and every minute that we broadcasting any program from here, you will be the share on the thawab of this program, this TV, by supporting Imam Hussain TV.
Already ready to for salam.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah, brother. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm okay. What about you? How are you?
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Welcome to Karbala.
Yes,
welcome to your program.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. I'm ready for any salam or any whatever you want. I have to be.
Yes, brother. Go ahead. Say your salam. Ask your hajat from Imam Hussain.
Yeah. So what type of salam you have to be listen?
Just the short salam. Salam to Imam Hussain. Salam to Abul Fadl Abbas.
Salam for Abul Fadl Abbas. No?
Yes. Go ahead, bro.
Okay. I'm going to start now.
Please.
Shall I start?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Okay. Salawat. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Boli Zainab utho imdad ko aao Abbas ज़िबा होता है मेरा बचा बोली
أحسنتم. Ahsantum, jazakumullah khair. Because of the difficulty we have on the internet, we can't hear you very well. Jazakumullah khaira. Inshallah, it will be on the list of your hasanat, and inshallah, Imam Hussain will reward you with this beautiful recitation. Jazakumullah khair. And Ya Ali Madad. Okay, let's see who's the next caller will be. And next is Salam. Ahsantum. Brother and sister, we are on the holy month of Sha'ban in Bain al-Haramain, front of shrine of Abu Abdullah and his brother Abul Fadl Abbas. Salamun alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum.
Ahsantum, alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. May I have your name and where you calling from?
आगा मेरा नाम अलमास फातिमा है फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान से और मैं मौला हुसैन इस्लाम की प्यार पढ़ना चाहती हूँ। अस्सलामु अलल हुसैन व अला अली हुसैन व अला औलाद हुसैन व अला असहाब हुसैन। السلام علیکم یا مولا یا ابا عبداللہ، السلام علیکم یا ابن رسول اللہ، السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ، السلام علیکم یا ابو الفضل عباس ابن امیر المومنین، مولا عباس آپ کو سلام ہو، مولا حسین آپ کو سلام ہو، آپ کی شجاعت آپ کی بہادری کو سلام ہو، مولا جتنے بیمار ہیں ان سب کو صحت و زندگی سلامتی عطا کیجیے، میرے وقت کے امام زمانہ علیہ السلام سے ظہور ہو، مولا ان کے 313 میں خاص ہمارے ہیں، ان کے نائب دین میں ہمارے خاص 313 میں مولا میں لشکر میں شمار کیجیے گا، مولا آپ کے والدہ کو صحت و زندگی سلامت کیجیے گا، میرا بھانجا جو محمد حسین نام ہے اس کا مولا اسے صحت دے دیجیے، وہ چلنے لگے، مولا آپ کو مولا اس طرح کا واسطہ ہے، آپ بھی تو کہتے ہیں کہ میرے باب العوائز علیہ کے نام سے کیوں نہیں مانگتے، تو آج آپ کو واسطہ دے کے مانگوں کہ میرا بھانجا ٹھیک ہو جائے اور میرے بہن بھائیوں کی سبھی سے آباد ہو جائے.
أحسنتم جزاكم الله خيرا. I'm going to write your name on the flag of Abu Abdullah al-Hussein and ask Imam Hussein to write your name on the list of Zawara of Imam Hussein, and inshallah we're praying for you to visit you here in Karbala, to visit Abu Abdullah al-Hussein and his brother Abu al-Fadl al-Abbas. Jazakum Allah khaira. Salamun alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum
salam.
Alaikum salam. Ahsantum, brother. May I have your name and where you calling from?
My name is Mirza Muhammad Hussain. I'm calling from India, Hyderabad.
From Hyderabad.
India, yes.
Alhamdulillah. How is the celebration of Sha'ban over there in Islamabad?
No, not Islamabad, Hyderabad, India.
Hyderabad, sorry.
India.
Yeah, Hyderabad.
India.
India.
Yeah, India. Al-Hind.
Yeah, ahsant. Hyderabad from India.
Yeah. Yes. Alhamdulillah, good. In Hyderabad, Wajid Kasir Shia Mawjood, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Are they celebrating the birthday of Imam Zaman, Imam of our time?
Yes. All birthdays we celebrate with Milad, Jashan, sweets, food, everything. Alhamdulillah.
Ahsan. Don't forget to eat the sweet, one sweet behalf of me, brother.
Sure. I request you to pray for me in the Haram Abbas, in my Haram Imam Hussain.
Inshallah. Brother, you can recite the ziyarah, ask your hajat from Imam Hussain.
Okay, Jazakallah. Okay, brother. Shukran. Jazakallah.
Ahsantum. Jazakumullah khair. Salamun alaikum. MashaAllah, we have many callers today. And I can see the phone keep ringing, and sometimes we miss the calls because of many calls we received today. Salamun alaikum.
السلام علیکم. وعلیکم السلام.
احسنتم.
میں پاکستان سے بات کر رہی ہوں ناہید. میں سب سے پہلے مولا حسین کی زیارت پیش کرتی ہوں. السلام علیکم یا مولا یا ابا عبداللہ، السلام علیکم ابن رسول اللہ، السلام علیکم ابن امیر المومنین و ابن سید الوسین، السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. مولا میرا بچہ بہت بیمار ہے گا حسین، اور وجات چھوٹا بیٹا اس کو چوٹیں بہت لگتی ہے، کھانا بھی نہیں کھاتا. مولا میری امی بیمار ہے اور میرا بچہ اس ٹائم بہت بیمار ہے، میری امی بھی، میری امی، میرے بہن بھائی، ان کی حفاظت فرمایا اللہ. میرا بچہ ٹھیک ہو جائے، میرا بچہ بہت بیمار ہو رہا ہے، بہت ٹھیک ہے مولا. کتنی دفعہ میں نے آپ سے مولا دعا کری ہے، مولا میرے بیٹے کی زندگی رکھے، میرے بچوں کی، اللہ میاں ان کو سلامت رکھے، ان کو صحت و زندگی کے ساتھ میرا بچہ کھڑا ہو جائے، چلنے کے قابل ہو جائے. مولا بہت پریشان ہے، مولا ہماری مشکل آسان کیجیے، مولا ہمارے سر پہ اپنا سایہ، اپنا کرم کا ہاتھ پھیر دیجیے، مولا ہماری حفاظت فرمائے، مولا ہماری مشکل کو آسان فرمائے، ہمارے غم کو دور کرے مولا، ہم اپنے روزے پہ بار بار بلائے مولا.
What is your kid's name that you are praying for him or her? What's your...
میرے بیٹے کا نام حسین نام ہے اور وجاہت، اور میری والدہ کا نام شاہجہاں.
Okay, I'm going to write his name on the flag of Abu Abdullah al-Hussein, and I'm asking and praying for your kids. And I ask Imam Hussain to grant him health and recover him, inshallah, as soon as possible. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, brother.
Ahsantum, may I have your name?
It's me, Ahsan Raza Khwaja from Pakistan.
Ahsan Raza Khwaja from Pakistan. How are you, my friend?
Yes, brother. I'm good, sir. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. How is the celebration in your city?
It's Alhamdulillah going great. Everything is going well. And we had a big program last night, so we did Amal there.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, all going great, yeah.
Alhamdulillah. And did you do the Amal for the middle of Sha'ban? Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. I got the opportunity.
It's so great.
All I'm missing right now is the land of Karbala. I just wanted to be there right now. It's the only wish I have.
So ask Imam Hussain your hajat. Speak to Abu Abdullah al-Hussein. Say your salam from your bottom of your heart. Just close your eyes and just think that you are on the middle of shrine of Imam Hussain. You go inside, you drag the Varih of Imam Hussain and ask your hajat from bottom of your heart. Anything you want to ask.
Assalamu alayka ya Abu Abdullah al-Hussein. Assalamu alayka ya Abu Abdullah al-Hussein wa ala al-arwah allati hallat bifinaik. Alaykum minni jamiyan salamullahi abadan ma bakitu wa bakiya al-laylu wa an-nahar wa la ja'alahu Allahu akhir al-ahd minni li ziyaratikum. Assalamu ala al-Hussein wa ala Ali ibn al-Hussein wa ala awlad al-Hussein wa ala ashab al-Hussein. Assalamu alayka ya Qamar Bani Hashim ya Sakka Sakina ya Kafil Bibi Zainab ya Abul Fazl al-Abbas al-Amdar. Assalamu alayka ya Jabal al-Sabr ya al Masaib ya Fatih Sham ya Sayyida Zainab عالیہ بنت امیر المومنین. السلام علیکم جمیعاً شہدائے کربلا و اسیران کربلا و شام و رحمت اللہ وبرکاتہ. اللہم ارزقنا کربلا زیارت الحسین واقعی العباس.
احسن، جزاکم اللہ خیرا.
جل ولیک الفرج والعافیت والنصر.
اللہم عجل ولیک الفرج. May I have your name once again, brother? Okay, it was, I think, Brother Khajavi. I'm going to write his name on the flag of Imam Hussain. Okay, Salamun Alaikum. Let's see who's the next Zahir will be for tonight. One of the greatest a'mal and the best dua at this day is Dua al-Faraj. If you want to receive your hajat, just ask the reappearance of Imam of our time, Sahib al-Asr wa al-Zaman, and just keep saying, Allahumma ajjil li waliyaka al-faraj, Allahumma ajjil li waliyaka al-faraj. By saying Imam al-Zaman, Imam of our time, all of your hajat, all of your problem will be solved. And you don't need to have any more headache, any more problem with anything, anyone. So the main and the best haja is to see Imam of our time. Salamun alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Ahsantum, may I have your name and where you calling from?
From Hyderabad.
You can have your ziyarah. Yes, you can recite the ziyarah. Say your salam to Abu Abdullah al-Hussein.
Hello?
Yeah, Ji sister, Ji. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I have you.
Okay. May I have your name?
Halima Khatun.
Halima Khatun. Sister Halima Khatun, you can say a salam, recite a ziyarah. You are in front of Imam Hussain.
Yes.
Say السلام السلام عليك يا أبا عبد الله السلام عليك يا ابن رسول الله السلام عليك يا ابن أمير المؤمنين وابن سيد الوصيين. I'm going to write your name on the flag of Aba Abdullah al-Hussein, sister Halima Khatun. I think we just lost the call, but I'm writing her name on the flag of Imam Hussain. Ahsantum, jazakumullah khair. Okay, let's see who's the next caller will be, next Zair. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello. Wa alaikum assalam.
MashaAllah, brother. May I have your name? Where are you calling from?
My name is Sajjad from Lahore, Pakistan.
From Pakistan, MashaAllah. Brother, you can have your ziyarah, you can ask your hajat from Imam Hussain.
Zarur, inshallah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alayka ya Aba Abdullah. Assalamu alayka ya ibn Rasulullah. Assalamu alayka ya Sayyid al-Nisa. Assalamu alayka ya Warith al-Karbala. Assalamu alayka ya Shaheed al-Shuhada. Assalamu alayka ya Kashif al-Karb al-Hussain salatu wa salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Ahsantum, brother. I'm going to write your name, brother Sardar, on the flag of Imam Hussain. Jazakumullah khairah. Brother and sister, don't forget to share our number, share our page with your family, with your friend. We're still receiving call, we're still receiving name. So send your name through WhatsApp, send your hajat through this number. And if you like to be a part of this program, if you like to be a server of Imam Hussain, support Imam Hussain TV, donate to Imam Hussain TV, donate to Imam Hussain TV building. So by your support, by your help, we can broadcast more programs, we can broadcast more live TV, and you will be there. You will be share on the thawab. As long as we program anything, as long as we broadcast anything, you will be share at this program. Alhamdulillah that we have this opportunity to be at your service. Alhamdulillah that we can be a server of Imam Hussain. And when we say labbaik ya Hussain, we're not just saying that, we mean it. We do something for Imam Hussain. We do something, and by our job, by our activity, by our money, and by our property and our family. That's the best thing. So don't forget to support us, help us. If you can donate anything, share our program with your friends, share our number with your friend, your family. There are many people who want to recite a ziyarah. They just want to have their name on the flag of Aba Abdullah al-Hussein, and they don't know how to do it. Okay, this is the best way to call Karbala, to call Imam Hussain, and inshallah we will be at your service. Jazakumullah khairah. This is Brother Ali Javaheri from Imam Hussain TV. Labbaik ya Hussain.